Such a big lobster, not too hot. I don't know if the fish dragons from the last few days have anything. Let's go and gather the fish dragons first. Hey! Why did this rope break? Where are our fish dragons? It seems there was a significant storm this day.
She called you
Let's
Spew.
go look ahead. What's this smell? Why is it so stinky? Look quickly! I'll put the prepared fish meat into the net bag and add some stones as weights. We then use ropes to tie it securely. Let's go! We will now release it. Hey, there are often big creatures at the bottom of this pit, so I put the bait in the bottom of it. Hey! Making a bait hole and waiting takes a long time, so we'll use this time to dismantle our fireplace. Ah, wow, it's just coming out now. Let's hurry and escape. This water just can't be caught dry. It came too late, they caught it. Wow. I didn't fail with the fish. I speared it with a harpoon. Wow! Wow. Such force, and it just died? No, reel it in. Hey! Caught so many lobsters. Took them back and they ran away. So many lobsters, I want to grill them fresh. It's been 2 hours and we still can't do it. Wow! These lobsters are already grilled. Let's taste them. Wow! This one's a bit overcooked. Oh! Wow! These lobsters are so hefty. Let's put them down and save them to eat later.